Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachao. So, as you all know, in our server, or in our bracket rather, uh, the Mythic Blueprint is now available on the Honor Shop, right here. So, uh, two Mythic Blueprints are available per month, and I had a lot of questions, or rather, my allies had a lot of questions about uh, can we be able to buy those, and most of them are not able to buy all the regular blueprints. So that's 50 per month, and this another two. And then for regular blueprint, it costs 10,000 honor points per blueprint. So that's 500,000 blue honor points, and then additional 60,000 for the two piece mythic blueprint. So that's 560 blueprints per month. Okay, so can we uh, can we hit that 560 or not? So as a free to play, this is for the free to play, and then the stronger you are, the closer you can hit that 560,000 honor points. Okay, so let's compute if we can actually hit that. But we will try to compute it at bare minimum. Okay, so since most are not able to participate in some events like the Arena 3v3 or Arena 3v3, since they are not in the top 200 of their server. So let's make it fair and compute it in the bare minimum. Okay, so let's start on Winter Storm. So in Winter Storm, you can get uh, 10,000 10,000 per Winter Storm, and there are two Winter Storm per week. So that's 20,000 for Winter Storm. And then for Canyon, this is a little tricky. It depends on how strong or how well you will be able to play in your Canyon Storm. So because the top one, there's a difference between the rewards. So for the top one, you'll get 10,000, 8,000 for the top two and top three, and then 6,000 for the top four and top 10, top four to top 10, and then 5,000 for top 11 to top 30. So let's say you get let's say let's base it on my account. So I usually get top 3 to top 2 to top 3, or sometimes top 4 to top 10. So depending on the opponent actually. So that's 8,000, and then the individual points is 10,000. So that's 16 to 18,000. And then the win lose is 3,000 and 2,000. Let's say we lost. So that's probably 8k, 18,000 or 20,000. Okay, so let's say it's 20,000. So 20,000 for Canyon Storm. So that's already 40,000. And then for Desert Storm, as we all know, this is long time event. And then for, let's say you won. Okay, or let's say you lost, since we are computing on the minimal basis. Okay, so you lost, you get 5,000, but if you hit the 200,000 points for individual points, you'll get 15,000. So that's another 15,000, then another 20,000 in total for Desert Storm. And then we had the meteor event, which you can get 20,000 again. if you manage to unlock all the chests, all the 9 chests, so that's basically 80,000 at minimum just by participating or playing well. No? It depends on the canyon event actually. So that's basically 80,000 for those 4 events. Okay, and then for the arena, we actually have two types of arena: the 3v3 and what you call this, storm arena. So for the 3v3, or let's say the daily reward for now. So that is 700 if you manage to hit that every day, which is pretty simple. You need for the 3v3 you only need to win 5 times uh, per day to get these 700 honor points. And then for the Storm Arena, you need to battle 5 times. So win or lose, you'll get the 700 honor points. So in total, that would be 7 times 7. That's 49. So that's 49. 4,900. So you'll get 4,900 honor points. No, 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 no. Sorry. 84,900 honor points per week. Okay. So 84,900 honor points, and then if you multiply that on let's say 4 weeks, that's equivalent to 339,600 honor points. So basically not enough to buy all the normal blueprints. So what more for the mythic? But but remember guys, that is the bare minimum, and we haven't even added the rewards for the uh 3v3 or storm arena. So the rewards is, if again, in my account, let's base on my account, last 3v3 with our 3v3 just ended, and I think I managed to hit no, 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 hit the, where is it? Yes, I was in the top 150, so I got 17.5k. But normally, guys, I only get the top 200, and sometimes I got kicked out on the top 200. So let's base it on the top 200. Okay, so that's another 15k, and then for the storm arena, I usually get let's say top 200 again. So that's another 20k. Okay? So let's say top 200, so plus another 20k. So we I will have now let's say 374,600 honor points. So still not enough, right? So actually this depends on how strong you are. Because the arena rewards are based on what rank that you get. If you get the top one, then definitely you'll have a higher honor points reward. That's 60k compared to 20k that I get. So that's another 60k based on the normal 15k that I get from the 3v3. So that makes a difference, okay? And also there are a few events that gives more honor points, like the Warzone Duel, which they will take out the meteor in a replacement of the Warzone Duel, where you can only get 20k honor points per meteor event, while in the Capital War or the Warzone Duel, you'll get 20k from opening all the box, and then uh, another 10k from winning the Warzone Duel, and then you'll have that's only for the first round. If you manage to go to the second round after winning the first round, you'll get a multiplier if you win. Okay? So instead of uh, getting 10k honor points by winning, you'll get times 2 multiplier, so that's 20k. So instead of getting 20k from just the meteor event, you'll be able to get another 10k for winning the Warzone duel for the first round. And then if you manage to win again on the second round, that's another 20k. And then for the third round, if you manage to win again, that's times 3. So that's 30k. So you will be earning more honor points on those kinds of events. Okay? So it actually depends on how well or how properly built or how strong your account is to manage to buy all these blueprints. So most for free to play, they are struggling, and some of my allies didn't even get to play the 3v3, so they will miss uh, that they will miss 700 700 honor points times for 2 weeks times 14. So they will miss that. And then the actual reward for your rank, they will miss it also. So it's not uh it's nearly impossible. It's impossible for free to play and low spender uh to buy all these 50 regular blueprint, and then the plus 2 mythic blueprint. So uh if you are going to ask me what should I buy or what should you buy, so for me it is much important to buy the mythic blueprint. And then for the rest of your honor points, I do suggest to buy your UR or regular blueprint. No matter how all the remaining blueprints, all the remaining honor points should go here. Do not buy anything else other than the blueprints. Why? It's so hard to it's so hard to get the blueprints. Honestly, I've been playing for how many days? 623 days, and this is my current year. So although I did waste few honor points on my early stage of the game. I bought let's say hero shards or dome parts or whatever I can go. I even bought uh universal weapon shards back then. So that's why I only have this. But for some who are not able to participate much on those kinds of events that I mentioned before, the arena, the canyon, and desert storm, the winter storm, and then the meteor. Some are not able to hit the or unlock the night chest on the meteor, since they it's basically meteor is basically an event for the bullies, okay, or the whales, okay. So sorry to say that, but it is true, okay. So it would be a lot slower for you uh to upgrade your gears. And then for me, uh I still need 6 gears to upgrade for my main squad. And for one gear, for you to be able to upgrade it to 4 star, you'll need 50 blueprints. So if I manage to unlock or buy all those blueprints, I'll be able to uh, upgrade those 6 gears that I need to upgrade still for minimum 6 months at least, right? But since I can only gain 370 plus thousand honor points, so I'll it would take more than 6 months, unless
we have a Warzone Duel again. So that will make it a bit faster for me. And then also for the faction war, since you'll have honor points there also. And then uh, not including the ammo bonanza. Okay, so I'm still currently at hoarding stage, so I'm still halfway through it. So it will take long. So at least for me, for my account, I think I would be able to upgrade these 6 gears up until I think 9 months, 9 months or 8 maybe. So depending on the current event and depending on my win lose situation on a canyon, desert storm. For meter, I always hit the quota. And then also for my arena, whether Storm Arena or 3v3 Brawl. So it would depend on how, if I will be able to do it much faster or not. But basically, I can only gain at bare minimum of 370 plus honor points. So that's 31 UR blueprints and 2 mythic blueprints. So if you have any other question, suggestion, or if I missed something, maybe please drop it down in the comment section or message me in game so that we can tackle it, or maybe I can add that information that you had for the next video. Okay, so let's keep on grinding. So that's it for now. I hope this video managed to help you again, and then see you on the next video. Bye bye.